Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw investor funds from a deal managed by AppraisalPort. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin withdrawing investor funds from a deal managed by AppraisalPort, ensure you have your account credentials ready. Log into your AppraisalPort account using your registered email and password. Once you are logged in, navigate to the dashboard where you will see an overview of your investments. Locate the specific deal from which you wish to withdraw funds. Click on the deal to open its detailed view. In the deal details, look for the option labeled Withdraw Funds or a similar prompt. Click on this option to initiate the withdrawal process. You will be presented with a form requesting the amount you wish to withdraw. Enter the desired withdrawal amount, ensuring it does not exceed the available balance. Review any terms or conditions associated with the withdrawal process to ensure you comply with them. After confirming the details, proceed by clicking the Submit or Continue button. You may be prompted to verify your identity for security reasons. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the verification process. Once verified, you should receive an acknowledgement of your withdrawal request. Check your email for confirmation that your withdrawal is being processed. Keep an eye on your email for any further updates regarding the status of your request. After processing, the withdrawn funds will be transferred to the bank account linked to your AppraisalPort profile. Ensure your bank information is accurate and up to date to avoid any delays. If you experience any issues during this process, contact AppraisalPort support for assistance. Monitor your bank account for the arrival of the funds, which may take a few business days depending on your bank. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.